Hi, I'm Debbie Jane from the Philippines. I am excited to apply for the virtual assistant position. I hold a bachelor's degree in business administration with over 7 years of experience as administrative assistant in a corporate world. In my previous role, I supported executives and teams by managing schedules, organizing reports, organizing meetings, events, activities, and I also provide administrative support to them. I also have experience communicating with clients, handling emails, preparing accurate reports and documents. I am proficient in Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, calendar management, data organization, and I'm detail oriented, reliable, and proactive. And I'm always willing to learn new tools and technologies to improve productivity. With my strong administrative background, excellent communication skills, and positive attitude, I'm confident that I'd be a great fit for this role. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute and help your team succeed.